Here's my consensus project. So I built a simple wallet, a mini wallet that doesn't have the functionality of my key management, and it also has a token sale functionality. So here's my root directory, and I have my client. I have the contracts in the contract directory. I have migrations. I have the test, and I have other required scripts like the common attacks, the deployed addresses, the design patterns, and a proper README file. So let me begin by my local network, my Genach is running, so I can run truffle tests. And meanwhile, let us start up our front end. I have to cd into the client and npm start. So the test passed. I wrote 10 tests in total, 5 for each contract, and it all passed. And my front end is starting up at localhost port 3030. So my contracts have been deployed to the Robson testnet, and it has been verified. You can see my source code here. Pragma Solidity 0.5.8 has been proven to be very stable in recent times. So contract source code verified, exact match. So, I have to sign into my MetaMask. So here comes my token. I've made some transactions. You can see my transaction history here, and the console. You can see some transaction history here. You can see where I can send address. Down here is a sample of what basically a wallet does, transferring money and keeping track of your transaction history. And up here is just for this token sales. I have 1 million Zamp tokens. I'm selling at 0.01 Ether per token. And this is my address. This is also my admin address. And this is how much Zamp tokens this admin address is holding. So I can just simply um, buy some tokens, probably 22. Send that. You can see it here in the console. So I will have to sign with MetaMask. Token is sent and it's confirmed, and everything is going on well and okay. So contract interaction is pending and it hasn't been reflected yet. So this is going to take some time. In the meanwhile, you can see some transactions haven't happened here in the past, and you can see total balance. It's also very important for me to tell you that I tried to add to some amount of tokens. 75% of the total amount of tokens was sent to the contract, to the sales contract address. So I'm buying this from the sales contract itself. So if I push the end sales button, and it just refunds the whole money to the contract, and the admin actually receives the price, receives how much you pay for this token. It happens before the end of the transaction. So simply refresh the page, make sure all is going on well. And you can see this is the admin account. We just did 23 transactions, and my account has been, the admin account has been deducted by 23, and somebody, okay. So you can see the amount of tokens being sold here, and you can see a progress bar, an animated progress bar moving. So let me transfer to another account. Let's see. Let's transfer to this account. Let me transfer 53 to this account. You can see the values being passed here, show that it's live and the codes are working. So 53 Zamp tokens have been sent. That's so that's basically all for now. Has been sent to E805, and this to the admin account. Then let's go to E8085. E085 has 0 tokens and 0 ether, and how many tokens is it going to have? You can see that E085 has 68 tokens when we sent 53. This is because we sent earlier 15 tokens, so this is making a total of 63 tokens. Let's try to see if E085 can send some tokens to the admin. Let's say he sent 70. Let's send 23. Okay, I've used 23, 21. Insufficient fund, so it has 0 ether. It can't pay for this transaction. It has 0 ether. It can't pay for this transaction, so it can't go through. Let's also try to see if we can purchase some ether on this account. Insufficient fund, can't go through. So can check out some account that we have funds. We have fund in this account, so let's purchase. So it's giving us an error here because it's still recognizing the E8E05 account. So if we now make it to recognize the current account, this is FA, and we tell him to send 3 tokens. So this is definitely going to go through. So he's going to buy 3 tokens. Has the money to pay. Transaction pending. So let's also send some amount of tokens because you can see it has 1 token here. Let's send that 1 token. Sorry, let's send 1 token to. Let's send it to Egypt. So sending 1 Zamp tokens were bought finally. So we're on track. So you can see he has 4 tokens. 3 were sent to him, and I don't think we have gotten the last confirmation. One token sent. Still trying to get the confirmation of the contract interaction, which is buying tokens. You can see we bought 3 tokens plus the 1 which is still trying to send. So he has 4. So by the time this one confirms, he's going to have just 3. Confirmed. And yes, we are there, and this is updated. It's all going on fine. So thank you. This is going to be all for now.